Hi, and thank you for checking out CloudQix. My name's Hunter, and I am a solutions engineer over here at CloudQix. I'm going to take some time today to just show you around the platform and let you know what to expect. When you first log in, you'll enter on this home screen. Just going to get some basic information here, some performance summaries on a high level, what workflows are coming up as far as scheduled ones, popular connectors, as well as any recent connectors that have run. Next, you can jump onto the health dashboard to dive a little deeper into what's going on. So I can choose from specific workflows, specific connectors. I can see their health level. Obviously, we'd like to see this a little higher, but this is a dev instance, so there's just some testing going on. Total executions, latency, all sorts of things down here. The two main pages that you'll spend time on are going to be the connectors and workflows pages. So first I'll jump over to the marketplace here. You can always get a collection of pre-built workflows and connectors if you want to just choose something that's already been created, but you can also create your own. So if I jump onto the connectors page, I can create a new connector, and I'll call this one Instagram to Slack demo. And you could add an image to make it easier to find for your team. And then we jump straight into the connector, which is kind of like a category. And then I can create individual workflows within that connector. So this one, I'm going to say recent media item to Slack. And you can choose a category here to keep everything organized. So in this case, maybe I'd choose messaging. And I'm going to choose simulation test. If you wanted to actually have a live production connector that has real API credentials, then you would uncheck this box. But since I'm just doing a test with mock data, I will have simulation test checked. That's really good for while you're building things. And then I can add my first node. So in this case, it's going to be Instagram. And I want to get a media item. And here I would put in the information I need. And then I can jump in and see the mock response that I'm getting. So this is what the response is going to look like, just so I'm aware. Next, I want to send a message straight to Slack. So do Slack bot. I want to send a message, and I can input all my details here. So in this case, maybe I do the text is just the media type, but I could obviously put more information in here if I wanted to, and some predefined text. And I can say what channel I want to go to, all of the API information that you might want to use. Submit it. The channel's required. And then that will be the full workflow. So the down arrow here means I'm pulling something down, the up arrow means I'm uploading something, and I could click run and just make sure that at least the logic is working. And then of course I could turn off simulation test and actually go for it. I can also go down here, I can schedule it to run later, or I can jump into the health dashboard specifically for this that we already showed you. I can also go to logs, so I can see where it ran right here and jump into it. It'll show me the workflow. And then I can see some information about it, what its status was, and what responses exactly I got on each step. Just as a heads up, there's also the ability for you to create specific variables, upload your own custom API libraries on our business suite, or even do native Lambda functions within the system. That's about it. If you have any questions, obviously this is very high level, so as you want to dive deeper, please reach out. I'd love to chat and just see what your workflows are and how we might be able to help. Thank you so much.